Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add notes on Instagram. So this is a new feature that lets you kind of post a status, I guess, on Instagram, and you're going to see that in your DMs. So go to the direct messages tab on the top right corner over here. And as you can see, there is a leave a note button. You are just going to select the plus button here and type in the note. I'm just going to type in midnight, and you can share it with followers you follow back or your close friends. Press share. They can see your note for 24 hours and reply with a message. Press share here. And as you can see, my note will be up here, and you can delete your note or leave a new note here and just change it. And that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!